Hello guys, today we are going to see natural disasters. Remember to elect the words by paying attention to the pictures. Please repeat after me. Drought. D-R-O-U-G-H-T. Drought. Earthquake. E-A-R-T-H-Q-U-A-K-E. Earthquake. Flood. F-L-O-O-D. Flood. Forest fire. F-O-R-E-S-T. F-I-R-E. Forest fire. Hurricane. H-U-R-R-I-C-A-N-E. Hurricane. Tornado. T-O-R-N-A-D-O. Tornado. Tsunami. T-S-U-N-A-M-I. Tsunami. Volcano. V-O-L-C-A-N-O. Volcano. If you have any doubt, with pleasure I will clarify it. Repeat the video as many times as necessary for better understanding. Thank you for your attention.